What's poppin', you guys? It's your girl Crystal K, and I'm back again with another video. Today we're gonna be making these juicy as hell bourbon orange hoisin wings. They got some sugar in them, some spice, and of course some bourbon. So without further ado, we're just gonna jump right into the wings. So once we got our chicken cut up and together, we're gonna season it with some salt, black pepper, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, ground cumin, ground mustard, and that's it. And then we're just gonna rub it in. So here I have some cornstarch and some flour. I'm gonna leave the measurements in the description box below, of course. And then we're gonna season this mixture with the same spices that we did with the chicken wings. You know, black people, we love our food to be extra seasoned, so that's why we season in the flour as well. And then we're going to toss the chicken wings in this mixture, and then we're going to fry them. When I'm not on YouTube, I am on Instagram, so make sure you go ahead and follow me. I post a lot more cooking tutorials on that page. And if you're interested in natural hair, go ahead and follow me on my other Instagram. And yeah, check your girl out. All right, back to the video. So after that, I'm just going to heat up some Crisco. You can use peanut oil or you can use vegetable oil, whichever one you want to use. And then I'm going to fry the chicken wings. And then we're just going to fry the chicken until it's golden brown. I'd say about 10 to 12 minutes on each side. On a side note though, let me tell you guys about this pan that I'm using. It's amazing. It's called Caraway. And I'm obsessed. It's a little pricey, but it was so worth it. It's a non-stick pan that's made without all of the chemicals of a traditional non-stick pan. And guys, when I tell you I am so obsessed, like I'm beyond obsessed. Like and it cleans so well. Like it's no like OD scrubbing or nothing like that. Like it just cleans so well. Like I want to get the whole set. I am hooked. Anyway, back to the video. So for the sauce, we're just going to start off with some hoisin sauce, and then we're going to add in some orange marmalade. I forgot to film that part. That's why it's kind of just like, you know, chilling by itself for a little bit. Then we're going to add in some soy sauce. Then we're going to add in some ground mustard. A little bit of apple cider vinegar. Some liquid smoke for that smoky flavor. Then we're going to add in some smoked paprika and some orange zest. It's a lot of stuff that's going in this sauce, my bad. Then we're going to add in some diced onions, some garlic powder, and then some of that bourbon. Then we're just going to stir that together and bring it to a boil. Then once that comes to a boil, we're going to add in some brown sugar and some orange juice. So I'm going to add in a little bit more orange marmalade because when I tasted, I felt like it needed a little bit more. So that's what I'm doing. And then we're just going to stir that together. And then we're going to add in some ground black pepper and stir that around. Now I know that was a lot of ingredients, but we're done now. So at the end, we're just going to add a splash of bourbon and then we're done. Now we're just going to place our chicken wings in a bowl and then we're going to pour the sauce over them. Look at that, girl. This drink look like a slap. So the last thing you want to do is plate these chicken wings up, pour a little bit of that sauce on top of it, and then sprinkle some freshly chopped parsley on it for a little color, and then we're good to go. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you like this video. And if you try this recipe and you like it, definitely let me know down below in the comments, and also let me know what other recipes you guys want to see from me, and I'll be sure to add them to my list so I can get to those videos. All right, later guys.